Hello and welcome to my video tutorial. Today I will show you the basics to improve your drawing on proportion. So grab your pencil and let's get started. So first of all is to start drawing basic shapes. What does it do? It helps you to know where you should start to draw. It acts like a guide for you to position the character or the portrait that you are going to draw. So in this video I'll be drawing Stan Lee and he'll be my reference. And that's point number 2, reference. Always have a reference. You have to know what you are drawing, where his nose, his eyes, his lips, his chin, his forehead, and such. It is important. You need to know what he looks like. And then sketching. Here is where the face starts to appear. So take your time sketching the outline of the character. Here is where mistakes can be undone. If there's a slight mistakes, even a teeny weeny bit of it, erase it, do again, erase it, do it again until you get it perfect. And there you go. So those are the basics to get a good proportion. Basic shapes, reference, and sketches. But we're not actually done yet. I have to put on some details to it. So you guys relax and enjoy this video.